If there was one simple step that could help make your home sale smoother, wouldn't you want to know about it? A lot happens between going under contract and closing day, and sometimes that's where the deals fall apart. Hi, I'm Susan Houck with the Selling Spires Group and RE/MAX Aspire. Right now, about 15% of pending home sales are falling through, up from the 12% average before the pandemic. That means roughly 1 in 7 deals never makes it to the closing table. The biggest reason? Inspection and repair issues. Buyers today are stretched thin by high prices and mortgage rates. They don't have the budget or the patience for surprise repair. If your home looks like a project, they'll move on to one that's move-in ready. So how do you stay ahead of this? You can get a pre-listing inspection. It's just what it sounds like, a professional inspection before your home hits the market. It's not required, but it's a smart, proactive step. The National Association of Realtors says it helps sellers fix issues before listing and avoid last-minute surprises that could send buyers running. Think of it as a peace of mind. You'll know what might come up later, and you can fix it or disclose it on your own terms. A pre-listing inspection usually costs only a few $100s, but it can save you thousands in repairs, time, and stress. Your agent can help you decide which issues to fix, prioritize repairs that matter most to buyers, connect with trusted contractors, and ensure you understand local disclosure laws. So if one simple step could help your home sale go according to plan, wouldn't you want to take it? Let's talk about whether a pre-listing inspection makes sense for you and your home, so you can hit the market confident, prepared, and in control. I'm Susan Houck with the Selling Spires Group and RE/MAX Aspire. And remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Love where you live. Let's chat.